Summoning Jutsu!
No way!
Go, Nine Tails! Are we ready?
Yeah! As Hokage, I must protect the village. I won't let you do this!
I'm your opponent.
My attack passed right through him. What was that jutsu? He uses the transportation technique too? He slipped in and out of the village's barriers without triggering any alarms. There's only one shinobi who can do all that. Are you Madara Uchiha? That would be impossible. He is dead after all. In the end, it doesn't matter who you are. Either way, he's not ordinary. He can control the Nine Tails. My physical attacks have no effect on him. I have to aim for a mutual strike, precisely timed. We'll win this match.
I win. Damn it.
Flying Raijin level 2.
I never should have let my guard down around you. Flying Raijin Jutsu. Trying to separate the Nine Tails from me.
The Nine Tails is no longer yours.